Hello, friends. This is the most beautiful nature quotes and sayings. It's quotes on nature, contains best nature quotes and quotes English. It's quotes nature. Let's start. Nature uses human imagination to lift her work of creation to even higher levels. Everything is blooming most recklessly. If it were voices instead of colors, there would be an unbelievable shrinking into the heart of the night. Let us learn to appreciate. There will be times when the trees will be bare, and look forward to the time when we may pick the fruit. Energy, like the biblical grain of the mustard seed, will remove mountains. It is written on the arched sky. It looks out from every star. It's the poetry of nature. It is that which uplifts the spirit within us. Nothing makes me so happy as to observe nature and to paint what I see. The little windflower, whose just opened eye is blue as the spring heaven it gazes at. Happy the man whose wish and care a few paternal acres bound, contented to breathe his native air in his own ground. Spring is the nature's way of saying, let's party. Twilight drops her curtain down and pins it with a star. Reading about nature is fine, but if a person walks in the woods and listens carefully, he can learn more than what is in books, for they speak with the voice of God. The happiness of the bee and the dolphin is to exist. For man, it's to know that and to wonder at it. A woodland in full of color is awesome, as a forest fire in a magnitude at least, but a single tree is like a dancing tongue of flame to warm the heart. I drank the silence of God from a spring in the woods. How beautiful the leaves grow old! How full of light and color are their last days! Even in winter, an isolated patch of snow has a special quality. Distance lends enchantment to the view and robs the mountain in its azure hue. What nature delivers to us is never stale, because what nature creates has eternity in it. It was one of those perfect English autumnal days which occur more frequently in memory than in life. Clouds symbolize the veils that shroud God. It is not light that we need, but fire. It is not the gentle shower, but thunder. We need the storm, the whirlwind, and the earthquake. The breaking of a wave cannot explain the whole sea. Form must have a content, and that content must be linked with nature. There are no straight lines or sharp corners in nature. Therefore, buildings must have no straight lines or sharp corners.